Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add custom CSS to the whole website and to specific posts and pages. So search this one WP add custom CSS, install, then activate. To add custom CSS, click here, add custom CSS. Right here the CSS rules you want to apply to the whole website. Enable page specific CSS for the post types below. Available post type, and here is the advanced editor. Enable advanced CSS editor including line numbers and code coloring. So you will see advanced CSS editor here, and also guys you can change dark or light mode. Then click on save. So here guys you can add CSS in your whole website, and if you want to add any specific page or post, so open that, then edit it. So here in downside you will see a section custom CSS. Add custom CSS rules for this post. Add custom CSS rules for this post. So copy and paste your code in this page or post. So this is the simple and basic way guys. Using this plugin you can add CSS in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.